This training video is to show you how to use the Arkansas Rapid Automatic Naming Screener. We will be using this screener for part of our dyslexia screening as mandated by DESE. You will be able to find this screener on SSD Life. If you go to SSD Life, Schools and Programs, Curriculum and Instruction, and the assessment subsite, you will find a folder entitled Arkansas Rapid Automatic Naming. Within that folder, you will find the PDF with the directions and materials needed for the screening. Before completing the screening, you will need to print 3 cards that have colored squares. This will need to be printed in color. Your school will receive some at the beginning of school pre-printed. However, if they are misplaced or you cannot find them, you may use this PDF to print another copy. Please ensure that the quality of the colors is very clear, as that can impact your screening results. To begin the assessment, you will look at the recording page where the script is contained. You will fill in the demographic information and start with the practice items. The practice items directions are tell me the names of these colors, and you will use the practice form for them to identify those colors. If a student cannot identify all of the colors, you may not complete the rest of the assessment. If the student is able to identify the colors, you will then move on to administering the assessment. The directions then tell you to start with Form A. You will tell the student these directions. Now name all the colors on this card. Start here and name all the colors on each row as quickly as you can without making any mistakes. You may begin. You will time the student as they are naming the colors. You will record the student's time here as well as the errors that the student made. If the student makes no more than 4 errors, you will then turn to Form B. With Form B, you will state, now you will do it one more time. Remember, say the colors as fast as you can. You may begin. You will again time them and record their errors and record those numbers down here. To score the assessment, you will combine the times for Form A and Form B and record that on this line, and the total number of errors the student made on this line. We will be entering our results into EduClimber. So you will find the open window for the Arkansas Rapid Automatic Naming Test and enter in the score, which would include the time, combined times, as well as the total errors. More directions for how to enter with screenshots on EduClimber are available in the District Assessment Testing Directions packet. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact Molly Bolton.